In this video I'm going to show you how to send blank messages on Discord. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Discord application and then go into some server. Select the text field and let's create a blank message. To do that, switch to symbols and type here 2 stars, then tap space. Go back to symbols again and then type 2 stars again. And that's a combination. You need to enter 2 stars, space and 2 stars and just use the send button. Here you see that blank message was delivered to that server. It contains nickname, it contains time sent, but there are no text. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.